Hello defense aspirants, welcome you all to Garud Defense. Indian Air Force airlifts oxygen tankers, containers to filling stations across India. As India is struggling with the second wave of the coronavirus infection and hospitals in several states are reeling under a shortage of medical oxygen and beds in view of rising numbers of COVID-19 cases. The Defense Ministry said that Indian Air Force C-17 Globemaster and IL-76 heavy lift aircrafts have started airlifting big empty oxygen tankers from their places of use to filling stations across the country to speed up the distribution of medical oxygen. Officials said that Indian Air Force also airlifted doctors and nursing staffs from Kochi, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam and Bengaluru for various hospitals in Delhi besides transporting essential medicines as well as equipments required by the designated COVID-19 hospitals in various parts of the country. And here we see what are the aircrafts used by Indian Air Force for this airlifting of these oxygen tankers. C-17 Globemaster. It is a US Air Force manufactured aircraft. It's the largest military transport aircraft. It performs tactical and strategic airlift mission, transporting troops and cargoes throughout the world. Additional roles performed by this is including medical evacuation and airdrop duties. So it is the largest aircraft in Indian Air Force. It takes off from 11,562 feet in Ladakh. It is from the squadron number 81 of Skylord Squadron. It's based in Delhi. And it has seen recently many C-17 Globemasters in Leh and Ladakh due to the standoff with China along LAC than ever before. Who all use this aircraft? It is by US Air Force, Indian Air Force, Royal Air Force United Kingdom, Royal Australian Air Force, Royal Canadian Air Force, Kuwait Air Force, Qatari Emiri Air Force, United Arab Emirates Air Force. Then comes IL-76, Ilyushin 76. It is a Russian manufacture. It is a multi-purpose 4-engine turbofan strategic airlift. It is from the squadron of S-44 based at Nagpur. It is designed to deliver heavy machinery to remote partly served areas, used as an aerial refueling tanker. It is used as an emergency response transport for civilian evacuation as well as humanitarian aid and disaster relief around the world. Who all use this aircraft? It is used by Russian Air Force, Ukrainian Air Force, Indian Air Force and Libyan Air Force. And that's it. Thank you. Bye. Jai Hind.